Thanks for tuning in. This is the Life of the Miner, and this is going to be a quick video of me cleaning one of my mining rigs. So let's check this out. Alright, so this is my 6 GPU mining rig. Now as you can see, it's really dirty. Now I've been dusting this out, but I haven't cleaned this thoroughly within the last 6 months. So I'm going to go ahead and now dismantle this whole mining rig. I'm going to replace the old PCIe rising. I'm going to use my power duster to dust this whole mining rig. I'm going to wipe everything down and clean everything up. So let's check this out. So I'm going to go ahead and use this power duster called the X-Power and wipe this whole mining rig down, and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Alright, so as you can see, my mining rig is sparkling clean. So let's go ahead and put everything back together. Let's go ahead and now turn on the mining rig. Alright, so thanks for checking out this quick video. Now I have the link for the power duster below. But of course, thanks for watching, and always happy mining.